Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the HiCOZY and the Sweetcrispy. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money. Both machines promise quick ice production in just 6 minutes, making them perfect for your kitchen or home bar. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The HiCOZY countertop ice maker is priced at $99, while the Sweetcrispy model comes in at a more affordable $69. This makes the Sweetcrispy a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy quick ice without breaking the bank. Next, let's compare their ice production capabilities. The HiCOZY can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, while the Sweetcrispy slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds per day. Both machines can make ice in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for any occasion. Finally, let's look at additional features. The HiCOZY model includes a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy comes with an ice scoop and basket, providing added convenience for serving. Both machines offer unique benefits that cater to different user needs. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers have their strengths. The HiCOZY is a great option for those who prioritize self-cleaning, while the Sweetcrispy offers better value with its lower price and included accessories. Whichever you choose, you're sure to enjoy quick and convenient ice production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.